name is Alvin Tiger Hillis.
And I'm Marclian R. De La Cruz.
And I'm Andy Mares Mancon.
We are Unity Back. Let's discuss Gay-Lussac's Law.
Good morning, everyone. I am Marclian R. De La Cruz, and this is our introduction for Gay-Lussac's Law. So, Gay-Lussac's Law explains the relationship between the pressure and the temperature of a gas when its volume is constant. So, it states that as temperature increases, pressure also increases, and vice versa. This is because heating gas particles make them move faster, causing more collision and higher pressure. So the formula for Gay-Lussac's law is P sub 1 over T sub 1 is equal to P sub 2 over T sub 2, where P is pressure and T is temperature in Kelvin. So this law is useful in real-life application like aerosol cans and car tires.
I am Andy Mares Mancon, and now I will be discussing the topic, which is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law states that when the volume of gas is constant, the pressure increases as the temperature increases. This is because gas particles move faster at higher temperatures and heat the container walls more often. Formula is pressure 1 is equal over temperature 1 is equal to pressure 2 over temperature 2, where P is equal to pressure and T is equal to temperature in Kelvin.
Now let's go to how it usually works. As we all know, Gay-Lussac's law is the directly proportional between the pressure and the temperature of a certain gas at a constant volume. So we see here, if we rouse up the temperature as shown in this simulation, we can see here that as the temperature rises up, the pressure inside this container with a constant amount of volume also rises up. So that is the general definition of the Gay-Lussac's law. Once again, my name is Alvin Tiger Hillis.
And I'm Marclian R. De La Cruz.
And I'm Andy Mares Mancon.
We are Unity Ba.